Most of these reasons to get married may seem a little obvious or maybe even a little ridiculous. But for a lot of us, it is really hard to take an objective look at our own motivations and see them for what they really are. Sometimes your real intentions are hidden few layers deep, and you just need someone to lovingly shake them to the surface for you. I am your boy Beats from Saint TV, here to give you 5 reasons why we marry wrong partners. Remember to subscribe, like and share this video. 1. Sex. Oh yes, I said it. When the sex is too early and too nice, oh sure, everything else goes on hold and the focus of the relationship is now just on doing. Sex to a relationship is like chicken feed to broiler chickens. It makes the relationship grow very fast without corresponding strength. Sex makes a GMR, a genetically modified relationships, which is early maturing. Instead of thinking how to make the relationship better, you start thinking of how to make the next sex escapade better. Instead of looking at whether the prospective partner is good for life, you start looking at whether or not they are good in bed. Instead of planning your future together, you are busy planning sex styles together as if you're planning on doing a Kama Sutra movie. Number 2. Money. No wonder why the scriptures say, the love of money is the root of all evil, or maybe even root to all evil. Money can make you marry an evil person. I know what you're thinking. But take for instance a guy who has money. Wrong pizza bandits start to make themselves available to him, increasing his chances of marrying the wrong person. He stops seeing the well-behaved Komboni ladies. In a similar manner, when a lady has money, good guys with low self-esteem get scared of her. She will only attract the horny, courageous dudes with nothing to offer but vitamin D and a funny English accent. Too much money could be a barrier to a great choice of partner. Too much money gives you too much access to the wrong guys or cadres. And if you're not careful enough, you end up marrying a cadre. By the way, cadres are always up for sale to the highest bidder. Number 3. Church. You know what? In a secular world, you are allowed to kiss a few frogs before you meet your prince or princess charming, but the church doesn't tolerate all that. If you keep changing partners, the church takes you as immoral, so you are compelled to stick with one wrong choir member for fear of being tagged. The guy could be a candidate for heaven, yes, but marry them and you will experience early hell. Just because someone knows how to speak in tongues, it doesn't mean they know how to speak with a spouse. Also, because you don't want to disappoint Papa, you end up staying and marrying the wrong but Papa approving person. I'm not attacking anyone. You will be complaining to God in private prayers, and yet you're still dating to please the church. Number 4. Good looks. Have you ever seen how super beautiful models act when you approach them? Because they know they are in high demand, they ignore good people and raise the bar of standards. As such, they miss out on good people. Also, when searching for a partner, beauty is usually a louder attribute which tends to overshadow all the other qualifications. Without noticing, even the devil was as beautiful as a bright shining star. Don't let those hips deceive you. Don't let that six-pack cheat you. There is more to marriage than slave. As soon as you marry, beauty becomes an added advantage, but the person you married has only beauty and nothing else to add up to it. More like beauty without brains. Beautiful. Beautiful. Family, friends and relatives. There is always that one wrong auntie from the village who thinks they know better who you should marry. No, you can't marry that tribe. No, you can't marry someone with such a career. Uyu amyenderani. That doesn't suit you. And before you know it, you're choosing and marrying for your family instead for doing it for yourself. Some of you are in wrong relationships right now because your friends told you that other guy was not cool enough. You had no idea what they meant, but instead you listened to them. And now you're dating and almost marrying a wrong person just because you had no courage to stand your ground. So guys, those are the 5 reasons I think we marry the wrong partners. Which one do you think I missed or you would want to add? Tell us in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and share this video. And if you have not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Remember to visit your boy Beats YouTube channel and subscribe there. Until next time, head bowed.